Next section is we are going to discuss what are the operations and of the operating system. That means we are going to explore how operating system manages directories, folders, file in the computer. Okay, so first we have discussed what are the file types. There are mainly two types of files. ASCII file. ASCII file mean American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Can you remember grade 11? You have done that. So ASCII code files can read and understand like a normal. So each and every letter has a binary value. For example, capital A 64, simple A, like each and every letter has some unique number. So then machine will communicate that I understand each number like binary setup. Okay. Then the ASCII code files can read and understand like a normal. Next one, binary file cannot understand like ASCII file. So binary files are like source file. That means halfway when you are going to execute some Python program, it while before executing, it's come like a source file. The there is a file format we call binary files. You will further learn in universities in your syllabus. No need what are the binary files, just to know it's a binary format, not like the ASCII. ASCII directly can understand for the user, but binary files we can't understand. It's an intermediate file format. Okay, so Python programs also when you're executing in intermediate file format, we can't understand, but we can see the high level language only. Okay, later you will study. There are translators likewise. The next one, operations, file operations. File operation create, open, close, read, write, move, delete, merging mean two files joined together. That thing, if I want to join two PowerPoint presentation together, if I can copy paste and fix it, or else if there is a possibility to merge, join, then we can join. Normally PDF also there are some, and or else copy paste it. Then while file security. So file security, passwords, access privileges, or user accounts can be there. Then directories and file organization, root. C drive is a root. Then D drive. Likewise, directories are there. Then folders, file extension, executable file, extension code, file format. We can use it. You just copy this one because since it is there in the syllabus, copy it. I know you already know those things like grade 8, 9 work, but let's copy. Okay. File is a name collections of related information, usually sequence of bytes. So in a file, there are sequence of bytes. So first file can be viewed two different ways. First one is a logical view. That means programmer's view. How the user see the file is the logical view. That it consists of linear collections of records, image file, Excel, pixel of the Excel's sorry, cells, pixels. We call the image has a cells or as pixels of intensity value, vectors, and graphic rasters. So raster graphic, vector graphic mean those are the file format, image formats. So when we zoom the raster graphic, you will see the pixels, small dots. But vector graphic, when you zoom, it will remain the quality. Quality of the image will not change. Next one, linear sequence of bytes. Uh, those are some sort of files. Then physical view of the file. So physical view means operating system view, how the file is stored in the secondary storage. So secondary storage can understand the file in this format, physical operation view. So many possibilities of necessity. Contiguous. Contiguous mean not a contiguous. As a block, entire file is not going to save as a block. The file is divide into small parts. So that parts we can call, when it's come to the RAM, we call it as frames. When it's go to the virtual memory, we call it as a pages. So like entire file divide into small parts. That's what I asked when you are playing game, whether the space is not enough, what will happen? That means the remaining part will move the virtual memory. So it is saved in the pages as a page. Small slot we call as a page. When it's moved to random access memory, small portion we call as a frame. So pages and frame has to be equal. You will learn those things later. Okay, we will write these two slides. Quickly write down.